How can you choose a VPN server that best suits your needs? All about it in this video. A VPN routes all your internet traffic through a VPN server, encrypts its contents, and hides your virtual location. The more VPN servers, the less internet traffic each of them has to carry. If VPN servers cover many countries, you have more options to choose from. NordVPN has over 5,000 servers in 59 countries. Quantity's not everything. You need the right server for the job. Choose NordVPN's Double VPN or Onion over VPN servers for an extra layer of security. Choose obfuscated servers if you need to connect to a VPN from a country with internet restrictions. For peer-to-peer traffic, use the specialty P2P server. If you want a standard VPN connection, you need not worry about choosing the best server. Quick Connect will do that for you. Click once, and the smart algorithm will find the server that best suits your needs. For more tips, don't forget to subscribe to the NordVPN YouTube channel. NordVPN. Online security starts with a click.